seas and oceans are salty because for millions of years, rivers have been carrying salts and minerals from rocks and soil straight into them. When rain falls, it erodes rocks and land, picking up tiny amounts of salts, including ordinary table salt, sodium chloride, the same kind we use in food. But here's the catch. Ocean water evaporates under the sun to form clouds and rain, but the salt stays behind. So while water comes and goes, the salt keeps building up year after year for millions of years. Now here's a mind-blowing fact. If we could gather all the salt from the oceans, there would be enough to cover the entire surface of the Earth in a 150-meter thick layer. That's as tall as a 40-story skyscraper. And get this, 1 liter of seawater contains about 35 grams of salt, almost 2 tablespoons per liter. No wonder when you accidentally swallow seawater, it's so salty. And when it gets in your eyes, it stings. Also, ocean creatures are perfectly adapted to this salty environment. Fish and marine animals have special ways to stay hydrated and survive in such salty water, something humans can't do. Now you might wonder, why aren't rivers salty too? That's because rivers flow quickly and their water is constantly refreshed. The salts don't have time to build up. But in the oceans, all the salt stays. Here's another cool fact. Scientists estimate that if all the salt from the oceans were divided among every person on Earth, each of us would get about 1.5 million tons of salt. And did you know that the saltiest bodies of water on Earth aren't oceans? Places like the Dead Sea are about 10 times saltier than the ocean, and the salt is so concentrated that you can't even sink. It keeps you floating like a balloon. So, the sea is salty because rivers bring in salt. Water evaporates and salt stays behind, a natural process that's been happening for millions of years. If you enjoy learning cool facts about how our world works, hit like and subscribe to Logic of Things.